So guys, if naghahanap kayo ng accommodation dito sa San Juan, ito yung pagkakasunod-sunod niya. Sorry, kaka-run ko lang. Sir Bob. Yan. Ito mismo yung kalye ng San Juan, guys. So meron naman lahat dito, like grocery, gasolinahan. It's along the road. May mga convenience store na ganyan. Hindi kilala. Pero lahat naman ang kailangan nyo nandyan, mostly. That's the Shaka. Ngayon lang din ako mag-explore. So, hindi ko alam kung ano yung mga meron dito. Okay, next accommodation along San Juan is the Casa Casita. Island Casita. Yung Island Casita dyan, guys. And then, Habagat Hideaway. Dito naman siya. Beachfront as well. Si Habagat Hideaway ay merong ganyan. May resto in front of the sea. Ayan. Habagat Hideaway. Next is Sea Pearl Divers. Check nyo na lang sa booking or kontakin nyo yung mga ano nila, Facebook page nila. Kasi usually Facebook page meron dito. Bye-bye. And this is Moneras Native Beach Resort. Ayan yung contact number. Screenshot nyo na lang. Screenshot, beachfront yan. And then that one is Golden Sunset Inn. And that's Tauhay Resto Cafe. I think meron din silang accommodation dyan. And then this one is Seaview Resort. Kasi Seaview yung magiging accommodation. Ayan. So, si Golden Sunset Inn, ito din pala. Ayan, si Tauhay ay very sikat na kainan dito. That one is Aloha Seaside Resort. And Tropical Fantasy. Along San Juan lang yan, guys. Ayun, malapit siya sa Tauhay Resto and Cafe. Seaside, kabilang, kung beachfront to, kabilang side siya. Si Aloha. Ayan. Laging fully booked tong si Tropical Fantasy. Tingnan nyo naman yung loob. And then massage spa. Doon banda si Dolce Amore. Doon pa sa Cocorico banda. Sige, puntahan natin si Cocorico. Hindi pa naman ako pagod. Rogelio's Resto Bar and Restaurant. Beach bar pala. Ayan, may happy hour sila, 3 to 6 p.m. Ayan. Tapos dito sa City Hall, hindi kayo mahirapang bumili ng pagkain kasi sobrang daming bilihan along the street or along the highway. This one is a hostel, pero nasa kalagitnaan siya. Tapat ng dagat. MGB Bungalows. MGB Bungalows. Okay, next. This is the next accommodation. Along San Juan again is the Palm Village. Palm Village. There. Ayan. And tapat niya ay wala. That one naman is ano yan? Evelyn's Wash. Ayan. Casa Gingap. Papunta dyan sa taas. Check nyo na lang yung mga... Again, check nyo yung prices sa Agoda. Pinapakita ko lang sa inyo yung location. Para you have an idea where is it located. And kung convenient sa inyo, mag-book on that area. Again, this is Palm Village. Palm Village. And malapit na tayo sa pinagstayhan namin. Dalapiahan. You can only contact them through Facebook page because most of the time they're fully booked online. And this is the By the Sea Guest House. Beachfront yan, guys. And yan, may kainan sa harap. And this is the Piahan guest house where we are staying. We booked this 1.5 per night. But you can also check Airbnb, guys. May food stall sa labas. Yeah. Ayan naman yung Sand One. And this one, di ko alam. Wait, tignan natin kung ano to, guys. Yan yung Sand One Hostel. And ito mga ginagawa pa lang. Wala pa siyang name. This is Rambar. Yung kanina yung pinuntahan natin. Ayan yung happy hour nila. 3 to 7 p.m. every day, I think. Yeah. Ito guys ay ang Dagsaan Restaurant and Shadow and Tail Security Service. Hindi yan ata hostel. Ayan, may mga sari-sari store. Yun yung kahabaan ng San Juan. Ang haba nito guys. Dito kami kumain no second night. Dalahican Grill Master. No. So, lumipat na kami ng hotel. Guest house pala tawag nila dito. Si Kai and Swakihan Guest House. Ito yung kanilang rates.
Yung kami ko na, pwede iwanan na lang.
New rates with breakfast na yan guys for 2. Yeah. They only accept GCash. Yan. Meron din silang ganito. Budget room with breakfast. Yan. Nice. And spa. 21. Yan. Ito yung ATM machine sa tabi ng JJ Backpacker. This is where the party is. So, if you want to go to party, Fridays to Sundays daw yung schedule ni JJ's. Tapos yung way na to ay papuntang Paliton. Paliton Beach. Paliton. Basta yun. Ayan ang Charisma Siquijor Beach and Restaurant. Onad's Food House. Ayan. May convenience store again. Guys, sorry, hindi na ako nakagawa ng outro. But thank you so much dahil nakarating ka sa part ng video na to. Sadly, ito lang yung na-record ko. But if you have any questions, please comment down below. And please don't forget to like and share this video. And please subscribe na rin dito sa YouTube channel ko para updated kayo sa mga next upload ko and mga mini vlogs ko din. Don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts and see you on my next one. Bye!